Welcome to the mix, and here we have Gracie.
Come good. Because I never go back from none of you, and I never go quiet from none of you. Learn that. Put that in on a pie because a Christian and smoke it. I never back from no more body pan ya. I never back. I never back. No tell me if you calm down. I'm ignorant. I'm ignorant. You not tell me if you calm down. I'm sure. Don't tell me if you calm down because I never trouble a drunk or panya. I never trouble a germs panya. I never trouble the bitch them panya. I never trouble them. I never trouble people them panya. I never know some can't come panya can talk. Junk crow over there so I play things. You don't have nothing for me germs. You don't have a thing for me, bitch. Slut, you know nothing for me. So to pet over there, say you have things. You don't have nothing for me, junk crow. You don't have nothing. And there, if you come play where you say you have bitch. You big bitch for your life over there. Germs, the bitch over YouTube me attack. Come play where you have. Come play where you have, because you say you're going to bring me down. So come play where you have. You don't come play when you have, bitch. Slut, germs, the one I don't come and play when you have. You don't come and play what you have. Because I done things for done in. Since you don't want to bring me back there. Since me I moved from there, so you want to bring me back there, I done things for done in the start. It's on for the whole I know. Because single-handed me I come. Me don't need a militant. Single-handed me come in. One by one I come in. Not tell me if end no rotted cuff life. Not tell me if end no life. Because me no trouble them. Me never trouble none of them over there. I never trouble them. All of a sudden, I'm a tea lady. But I'm not surprised because the first thing they come out and cuss me tea lady. Cuss me for tea lady. And if I first thing can cuss me for tea lady. And if the first she come cuss me for your friend. But John Crab, I die for the whole of you know. Me die, I can't think I'm going to keep Gracie quiet. I don't think I'm going to keep Gracie quiet. So me die for the whole of you know. I am here. I'm ready. See, I'm like when me tell you when I long time, done in for done in, life for life, rubbing for rubbing, me not back from. No, no, no. No, 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 me not go back from. Since you don't want me for God here, me I go there with you know. Because I'm afraid of none of you know. Me not stand up with on the injustice and must have me have a difference with 99. Doesn't mean I'm going to stand up with one another. Doesn't mean I'm going to stand up and do. Me have my differences. Me never tell them say me want people dead or nothing like that. Me never tell them say I'm going to stand up with T lady if you come out and all kind of something. I never tell them that. Me never know say me want to make agreement for that. I never know I make agreement with Uno say when T-Lady come out and I dead trick them and she come out with a foolishness them. I never know. Me only make agreement and me sign agreement say Gracie will not be saying anything. I never know. Me never did know.